Caroline Harriet Abraham was born 1809, died June 17, 1877, was an artist significant in the history of New Zealand, creating a useful record of that country in the 19th century. She was the influential wife of a bishop and the mother of another. She put together a book, with others, supporting Maori rights. Abraham was a watercolorist and her scenes of early New Zealand immigrant settlements are held by the National Library of New Zealand and Auckland Council. They are an important source of information from this period.